Hey guys, it's Ghost Rainbow here, and today I'm here with a video review of new cars I just got. So, today I'm here with a trio of Bluford shops USRA 30.5 foot 2-bay hoppers. Letter for the New Haven, each with different road number, like so. So let's go ahead and get right on into the review right here on our new layout. Alright, and we're back. So let's go ahead and get started with a unboxing. Take off the lid. Inside we have hard plastic casing, soft plastic over the car, and then the car itself. So start off by reading the back of the box once the car is out now. New Haven had 1,500 of these hoppers, more than all other New Haven hopper classes combined. Whoa. Production was split between 4 different car builders, including Pullman, Pressed Steel, Ralston, and Standard Steel Car. In addition, it also has information here on the other cars that Bluford shop sells in Enniscale, as well as notifying you that it's equipped with Fox Valley Models metal wheels. Inside of the box we have disclaimer about, again, the Fox Valley Models wheels, how to get inside the coupler, and a quick warning about brake hoses on here, because this is equipped with brake hoses, but they are extremely fragile. I can attest to this, seeing as when I was first taking the cars out, one of the brake hoses broke off. So be extremely careful if you get these, if you want to keep those on, or simply snip them off from the beginning. So now back to the car. Let's go ahead and unwrap it from its case of soft plastic, and let's go ahead and bring you down to the same level as the car and give you some good details. I'll move the car in here, or the camera in here. There we go. As you can see right here, all of the lettering there is all nice and visible. Capacity, load limit, lightweight, NH 120936. New Haven up top. Built December 1918. You can see right there. And here we have something I cannot tell on this camera, but I'm sure if I had a better magnification or some sort of thing, that would be legible, seeing as everything else is. 1880 cubic feet, wrought steel wheels, class HM1. As you can see in there on the top there, it does have a load in there. As far as I can tell, it is non-removable. You can see right there. Very nice looking load. Let's go ahead and lift it back up. Go onto the end. NH 120936. Plop on there. There's that brake line that the disclaimer is about. Right here, next to the coupler. Right there. You can see. There's the coupler. It is body mounted, not truck mounted. Sorry for that. We got the ladder right here. Move on to the other side. It doesn't see me. Same type of exact same everything. While we're here, take a nice look at those trucks. very well detailed. Sorry for the spastic nature of the camera. And then the other end, same as the first end, minus the platform. Once again, with the brake line right there. Once it focuses, you'll be able to see that. Anyway, it's right there. Right there, just like on the other one. And real quick onto the bottom of the car. There you can see the trucks. As you can see, they are not attached to the coupler. On the bottom there, we got the 2-bay drop doors and the other trucks. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and take out the other 2 cars and we'll test. I'll take another look real quick I'll take a quick look for any defects minus the broken air hose. And then we'll hook them up to the locomotive back here. And we'll have the train and we'll have the cars get brought in to the what's it called? Power plant over here. Right alongside that new Norfolk Southern Top Gun there. So let's go ahead and get that done. And I will be right back. As you can see here, on our back we have all 3 hoppers in line here. 120936, our first sample that we took a look at. 121284 and 120703. 121284 is the one with the broken brake pipe, brake hose, whatever. Which is unfortunate, but it's such a tiny detail that it's not such a huge deal. I'll test how the cars perform on the rails. I'm going to have the train, as I said before, excuse me, I'm going to have the locomotive pull the hoppers into their slot over here at on the track here next to the Top Gun. Right in here. So let's go ahead and get that started. Zoom right on out. And if at any point the locomotive stops, that's simply due to my layout. It's not the greatest, nor has it ever been, but that's the simple reason. Excuse me for a moment. There we go. So far so good. They've all run through, let's see, so far they've been through 1-2 turnouts. Now they'll be running through another 1, 2, 3, 4 turnouts to get to their destination. So let's go ahead and run it back. Oh, so like more. Alright. Very good. Now let's go ahead and run them back through. Attach them in the other direction. Whoa! I'm sorry for that. That was not good. There we go. Cannot see the cars currently right now, but if I lift the camera up, you'll be able to see that they've cleared all of the turnouts with ease. Now if I switch that turnout, we will have the locomotive push through the last turnouts here. Unless the locomotive decides it wants to go the other way. Very good. Hold that. There we go. And here they come. Oh, there's the locomotive. And there are the hoppers. So, as you can see, these are some very good hoppers. So to finish out this video, I just would like to say that I would highly recommend any of these hoppers to, any N scaler looking to expand their fleet, expand their roster by picking them up. They come in quite a few road names, and they come in single packs, double packs, and triple packs. And yeah, I would highly recommend these to any N scaler, like I said. And yeah, they ran through, as you saw, in all of the turnouts very well. They handled everything on my layout, which is not always the greatest running layout. They handled everything on it extremely well. And yeah, so